Hey, what's going on? My name is Mike Hobbs, and I want to share with you a simple concept that really helped me when I was struggling. I remember there was a time where I wanted to win. There was this big affiliate contest. It was going on. I was in a company that had 100,000 reps or something like that, and I wanted to really win these affiliate prizes, and the top 10 people got a prize. And I really wanted to win this. So I put my heart and soul into it. I was like, man, I was sending out emails. I was trying. I did a webinar. I posted every single day. I called people. I chatted with people. I did whatever it took to win this contest or do my best, right? And the results came in, and I didn't even get close. Okay, I completely failed. I didn't even get close to winning that contest or even getting in the top 10. So I was like, man, what's wrong with me? Like, what am I doing wrong? Why couldn't I do that? Why couldn't I win this contest? And then one of my mentors at the time, his name is Ray Higdon, and he basically said, if you don't win a contest or you don't get a certain result or maybe you don't hit the results that you want to hit in your business, whatever it may be, you can insert any goal that you have, right? At the time, my goal was to win a contest. He said, who do you need to become in order to have an audience that you have influence over? Who do you need to become that you have an audience that you have influence over? Or another way you could put it is, who do you need to become to have an audience that know, like, and trust you, right? So he asked me that question, and I was like, wow, that makes a lot of sense. Like, I need to ask myself that question and then look for the answers. So I did. I asked myself that question, and I had this impression that I should be doing more, videos, so people can follow me. So I started doing videos. I started doing a mastermind with people. People, like, it started off with a few people coming up to my masterminds, and then over time I had close to 100 people coming up every single day on these on my daily webinars. Then I started giving people content that they can use for their marketing, and over time I built this influence to a level where next time then there was this one time that I saw this product that was being launched, and I was like, man, that's a really valuable product. And I was like, I think I'll share this with my audience that I built. And I don't know if you can see in the background, there's a little check over here. Well, lo and behold, I sent out that promotion. I did the same exact thing as I did in the beginning. Sent out emails, did webinars, did videos, and all these different things. I did the exact same thing, but this time I got a $15,000 affiliate reward check, and I believe I made close to 300 sales of a hundred or about of a $300 product. So 300 times $150 commission plus the $15,000 affiliate reward, because I got second place, and I actually lost by 3 sales. Right, I lost by 3 sales, and the first place winner got like 25K, right? So how did I do that? Well, I asked myself that question, who do I need to become? And I actually became that. I became that person of influence, and you can too. So if you're struggling in your business, and maybe you don't want to win affiliate contests, maybe you just want to have results or just make some money, right? Well, you can become that person. You can do that if you ask yourself that question first and then seek the answers. Like, it's almost like your mind is a Google search. You ask yourself, who do I need to become? And then if there's a sign or a universe wink, as my buddy Paul would call it, then, and it comes into you, and then you're like, man, okay, I need to do this. I need to do that. Well, guess what? You start doing that. You start doing those daily steps right now. And over time, you will build an audience. You will build an influence. And then when you have an affiliate launch, or you're launching a product, or even the business you're building right now, you'll start making sales and you'll start having success. So that's the first step. Obviously, there's a lot more to do with your success, but that was one thing that really helped me. And I was like, man, I went from not even being close to winning an affiliate contest to making, one of the becoming one of the top affiliates in that whole contest out of thousands of people that were promoting it, right? So anyway, with that being said, I hope you got value from this. If you want more tips like this, go to whoismikehobbs.com and let me know your thoughts below. And I definitely appreciate it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.